Alright, so here we're going to fix the first thing, which is saying path. So we didn't spell it well, so we'll fix it. And then remember that every form in raw PHP by default has to work with something called CSRF verification. That is, we have to enable CSRF here. So just before the bottom of the form, you can put it anywhere, but then I will put it here. Otherwise, you get an error CSRF failed. Okay, so this CSRF request forgery protection, so for this form, so that people can just use this form from outside this website. Okay, so now we have this sorted out. Just want to cross check that the method is post and then the name is search term. Okay, we'll fix this. So we'll go back to alright, here we'll quickly add searches. You understand? So we can just list all searches that admin can just see all searches. Okay, so we have duplicate this line and then call it search terms or search terms. So we can get an idea of what people are constantly searching for. Okay, so we have searches index. Okay, only admin can see this, and then we will go to we'll quickly go back to our controllers, searches controller, and this is where we stopped in the other video, where we created this like I did before with used or where. So what we did before was to do exactly something like this. We did or where. That's how you do it in this ORM and raw PHP. You just do or where the last name is the same thing as the search term. So we're just getting our search, we're getting our basic MVP out. So we're basically searching for where the first name matches the search term and the last name matches it. Alright, so this basically sorts our problem. And remember that here we are redirecting to view. We don't want to redirect, we want to pass these values straight into the searches add page. So I'm going to delete this and then duplicate what we have here and then pass some values to it. So we're going to say add dot twig, and we're going to just do a little magic here where we'll just use to add. So block brackets, we have block brackets, then we can add users. So we just want to pass the users variable that we just found. So we say users, so which means we have to actually equate this to users. You can say users. So basically the person is passing a search variable. We create the search with a record of the search, and then we'll say user search term, then we say users. Okay, so this helps us sort out an issue quickly, and then we'll pass it to the users view. So we'll go to this view quickly. So we'll go to view and display the search results. So I'm going to resources and in searches we have an index. First of all, what we're doing this is to make sure that all occurrence of book is changed to search. So we'll just do all occurrence of a book. Okay, let's start with the plural first. Books is changed to searches, because the way book forms its plural form is just by adding s, but for search it has to be es. So we start from plural and replace all, then we go back to the singular and say anytime you see book, change it to search. So replace it. That solves our problem. So we can say all searches. So we're going to have to pass the search result to so we can say search results for. We'll now pass, we can just say let's just assume that we'll call it search term. So we delete the rest of the things here. So we can put quotes here just to justify what we're doing. Alright, so we can go back to our controller and pass this search term. So what we have here is this search term. We can pass it right into the view So from here we can also say that comma search term, it has to be this search term, so the user can see at the top of the page search results for this. Alright, so in the next video we'll have to refactor this a little so that we can display list of search results. Okay, so but for now let us be sure that this works. We will go back to our code, refresh this, click here, enter, and we have named route for books add does not exist in add.twig on line 25. So it appears that on line 25 we have of course we don't. We're on searches index instead of on searches term, so we have to go to add. We're working with searches add because our searches controller, as you can see, works with add.twig. So we were on the wrong guy, so I can just quickly go back to our resources, searches, and go to add. Click on add. Cool. So right here on the top we can say this. Good. Then we replace all occurrences of books with searches. Good. Then we replace all occurrences of book with search. Good. Okay, so we don't need this. So we're just trying to display add results, search results, and we don't need this form. Okay, so we will delete this form. We just need something that will help us display search results. For now, let's just do something dummy that says for. I think we should do this in the next video. We're out of time here. Alright, so let's just cross check that this works. We'll go back to our code and click this. Alright, we're out of this, so we just search for John and click enter. So we have search results for John, so it works well. So in the next video we'll fix this and then we'll go ahead and continue. Thank you very much.